Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, hey. Tiffany and I are going to Dollar Tree so we can see what they have and get the boys some candy with their allowance, and I want to look at their storage containers, and I want more of those soaps. I love those soaps, they're really good.
I need super glue.
And she needs super glue, so we'll see you there.
Nothing would stay.
Oh no, Easter greetings. Okay, so this is... No, these are neat. Like, this is things that you can put magnetic and then you can keep like things inside of it. This is just like school stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What do you think of this little contraption? Thought I would get some fun stuff so me and the kids could have some St. Patrick's Day stuff at the Dollar Tree. So I had this little headband thing. I don't know, it's a little much, but it's kind of cute. So we got this and a lot more. So I got this for me for work, and then these beautiful little thingies. I got each one of the boys this little beaded St. Patrick's Day tie. So I got 3 of those. I know Link, here he comes already. It's like he knows. I got this for Link, and he's gonna take it. Okay. Tiffany goes through headphones like a, what's a good analogy? She goes through headphones like a fish drinks water. Got those for her. Tiffany got her buttons and these, her buttons, and then her light up rings. Okay. And so then, since this is right here, I got these baskets. Are really nice. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for yet, but I like them because they have this nice sturdy handle. So I got 2 of each color.
Look at the dog. He loves it.
Red, blue, and green. And I like, they're like a matted.
Where do you rip it?
I knew it was $1. So I got 6 of those. Then Tiffany wanted a basket, like a trash basket for her room, so she picked this out. And then, oh, we did forget the little trash bags. So then I got 2 of these little baskets. I'm not sure what I want to use them for yet. Probably one like on top of the refrigerator, yeah, like storage type stuff. We'll figure it out. We'll find out what we're gonna do with that. I want to get more though. My younger boys are starting to use like the men smelling soap a lot more, so I got this for them. And then Tiffany, I seen this in Marriage and Motherhood's Dollar Tree haul. She showed this Crayola calligraphy, and basically it shows you, I think it's really neat looking. I might want to do one of these. It basically teaches you how to write calligraphy. So
let's make a thing for this session.
Like that. What are you doing? I haven't gone through that section.
I know. This is the obsession bin.
We got other Easter items from Dollar Tree the last time we went, but Tiffany wanted something to hang on the door, so we got this cute little sign. If Tiffany wants to gather the other things, we can show you what we got the last time for Easter. Otherwise, that's fine. So then we got this Ultra Care tea tree oil. and Ultra Care coconut oil. It promotes stronger and shinier and healthier hair, moisturizes skin, cuticles, and nails. So it's for your hair, scalp, and body. I got Tiffany the tea tree oil because I've always read that tea tree oil can help with like itchy scalp, and my daughter has always had an itchy scalp. So yes. And then the coconut oil is more to help promote hair growth and making stronger hair, which I mean, so we got those. Then we got, let's begin. I'm literally obsessed with this stuff. So I got the watermelon and mint bath salts. These, oh my god, it smells so good. This stuff right here is legit. Legit. That. Maybe we should just go by theme of that. So then I got the watermelon and mint bath bombs. And I think I'm gonna use one of those bins to keep like bath bombs in next to the bath. So that would be nice. You could just reach in and grab some. So we got that. And then I got the watermelon and mint body cream, which again smells amazing, we all know. And this is, I had gotten a different body cream the last time, and that worked really, really well, and it made my hands really soft, and I actually really liked it, so I knew I would like this one. We got the watermelon and mint bath fizzer. So you just drop it into the bathtub full of water and you just relax. I'm sure we've all used bath fizzers. They're sort of like bath bombs.
Oh, interesting.
Then we got the face, skin, and hair watermelon and mint body oil. So basically after a shower you use it on your skin, your hair, whatever, and then you pat dry. So I'm excited to try this. They didn't have this one in a lot of the scents left over, I don't think. I don't know, I only really seen this one, and I might have seen another one. Then the last time I had just gotten the pineapple, coconut, and lime body gel because I wasn't sure if it was going to be something that I liked, but I do like it a lot. So I got the watermelon and mint shower gel as well, and this stuff is so, it does a really good job lathering up. It makes you feel like it's cleaning you, and it smells really good, so I like it. Next I got my puppy's head. Next I got hi buddy. Next I got these cleansing pineapple, coconut, lime facial wipes. So I mean, I'm assuming they're not really to like remove your makeup. They're just like kind of clean your face. So it just says a refreshing way to reveal skin that is not only deeply clean but softer, smoother, and more noticeably radiant. So I'm excited to try these because this smell is so good. And there's 30 in here. Okay. We got the pineapple, coconut, and lime bath bombs. We got a bath fizzer, and we got the body oil. Next, Tiffany got some crazy glue, and this scent I didn't see the last time that I was there, so this is a new one. So coconut and verbena bath bombs. I don't know what this smells like, so I'm about to see. And a fizzer. And then they actually had shampoo and conditioner. So I'm really interested to try that. I want to smell the... Oh yes, that smells good. Oh, I'm assuming it's gonna smell the same. Yeah, I like that. So they had the shampoo and conditioner, and it is paraben free. I don't know much about the stuff that you want in your shampoos and stuff, so I couldn't tell you that, but I will give it a try and I'll let you know. My hair is pretty finicky, so I'll let you know how that handles up. But then they also had the shower gel, so I got some of that. And then I also got the shampoo and conditioner for the pineapple, coconut, and lime. And if this doesn't work good in my hair, this will work good. Like, you can still use this as a body wash, or the kids can use it. And like shaving with conditioner, that's better than shaving cream in my opinion. Then I got coconut oil and sea salt body cream. And this smells really good. I got the face wash, or the face scrub of this last time, and it was really good. I got the peonies and pear fizzies and the fizz bomb, or the fizzer, bath fizzer of that scent. Somebody got these, I don't know. Tiffany got those. And then I think the last thing that I got was this body polish, French lavender and citrus. And it just says apply a generous amount on wet skin, massage for 1 to 2 minutes in circular motion, rinse with warm water. Body butter. I'm not sure what the consistency of this is. Oh my goodness. Okay. Not what I was imagining. It's can you give me a paper towel?
Liquid.
It is a liquid. I was more assuming by its name. Well, it says body polish. Did I say body butter?
Probably.
It smells good. I was assuming that it was like a thick cream, but this is a, I mean, this is a weird container to put something like this in. I would think that this would have some sort of squeezy top and not, and it would just had a foil on it, so maybe that's why this is the only scent. I'm just kind of confused. I guess I'm assuming this is probably just the same as the oil then. I'm not sure about this. Don't know if I like it for the simple fact that it spilled everywhere when I opened it.
Yeah, it's on there.
Yeah. And then I got the French lavender and citrus face mask. This is the only scent that I found that in. So got that. And then what we got the last time we were there, I think Tiffany gathered them all so we could show you some of the Easter things that we picked up.
Except for the windows.
Yeah, we have like the little clings on the windows. So we got this little sign. We believe in the Easter bunny.
When we hung that up, we
Cute.
said we don't.
Okay. We got this little bunny, happy Easter, and then it has a string of eggs.
Then that's March.
And then we got this. You've already seen this. And then this little guy. So those were from our last one. So that is everything that we got at the good old Dollar Tree. I'm really excited to use this bath stuff. And I want to put on, I tell you what, I love the smell of coconut. Alright guys, so that's it. If you like this video, please click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one, more hauls, more of my cat's butt, more of my dog's face, and more of Tiffany slinking around in the background. And comment down below if you found something at your Dollar Tree and that I should try to find at mine. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.